What's going on, guys, and welcome back to Keeping Up with Crypto with your boy Xander. I've got another good one for you today. We're going to talk about Bitcoin dominance, and its relevance in the market cap, as well as this sea of green that we're seeing right now. I mean, I'm loving it. Look at all this green, 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 everything except for Nano. Screw Nano. Oh, I'm just kidding. Nano's fine. Nano's fine. But everything else doing really good. I'm loving seeing. Oh, you guys know I love Litecoin. Up 28%. That's pretty good. Pretty good already. Like I said, I just invested some more into it, and it's already gone up 28%. So I love to see that. Now it could go back down again, guys. As far as this being the bottom, or have we seen the bottom? I'm not 100% sure. I feel like we're closing in on it. If we have not already seen the bottom at $350 billion mark, I think we are close to it. So, again, best buying opportunities, guys. Keep buying, keep buying. I love Bitcoin under $10,000. I just bought some more Bitcoin today. Closing probably the amount of money that I'm going to be putting in investing in until at least my next paycheck, guys. Oh, sometimes I stretch myself out too far. Because I really want to get in everything that I can right now, because I do not want to be one of those people. I don't want you to be one of those people either, to say, dang it, I wish I would have put more money in. I had a guy in comments earlier asking, he said he had a certain amount of Litecoin. He was like, should I buy more? And I was like, I don't know. The question is not about how much of it you have. It's how much are you willing to invest into it? What are you comfortable with? Because you may be comfortable with $100, I may be comfortable with 1,000, somebody else may be comfortable with 10,000, and it's all the same. Even though it's not the same dollar amount, it's what you're comfortable with. It's your percentage of how much your income is, stuff like that. That's what you need to be looking at. So whatever you're comfortable with, and also whatever you're not going to be kicking yourself later on and saying, oh my God, I should have put in more. Because, like, I know we're going to hit a bull run at some point. And I do not want to be sitting in that bull run and saying, I should have put more in. Why didn't I put more in? Why would I keep money? To me right now, this is almost like my savings account. I still have a savings account, and I keep money in there. But this, to me, is like my savings account for the future. I keep only a certain amount of money in my actual savings account in my bank just for emergencies. But otherwise, I keep all my money in here because technically I can pull out money whenever I want, but I'm not going to. I'm going to keep it in there for as long as possible. Long haul, hodl, because I can just make so much more off of it than just keeping it in my bank account. What's the point? Like that, like I said, just like whenever I bought that Litecoin for $130 each, already worth $162 each, and I technically could pull it out right now if I wanted to, and I've already made over $30 on each coin. And I know some of you guys got it for closing in on $100, so you definitely could be making even more than that, and that's just within a couple of days. And then put that into your savings account, or reinvest it, or hold it into Litecoin, because we know Litecoin's going to skyrocket. But sorry, going on a tangent there. Get back into the main point. Bitcoin and Bitcoin dominance, seeing Bitcoin at still under $10,000, $9,338 is a pretty good buying opportunity. I know a lot. We saw it hit 8,000 or somewhere close to that. Let's see, 7-day scale. We saw it drop all the way down to, wow, $7,856. I hope you got it there, because that's a pretty good price. It is just I have not seen it at 7,000. And how long has it been? It's been several months. Since way back at that jump, right? 10,000. We haven't seen it under $8,000 since November 21st or about, or November 20th, 19th. Yeah, right around there. November 18th. That's the last time we saw it at this price. November 18th of 2017. So it's been a couple of months. So this is still a really great price, guys. As far as Bitcoin dominance goes, I know we saw Bitcoin dominance sitting closer to, usually it was staying about 60% for a while there. It was staying pretty steady. Look at that, 80%, 84% for a while. Then we had its big downfall. That's when all the altcoins started coming in. They started getting big with Ethereum, especially Ethereum, Litecoin, things of that sort, Ripple. and started taking away from that dominance. That doesn't necessarily mean that Bitcoin's price dropped dramatically or anything. That just means everything else, people were putting money into other things that wasn't Bitcoin, which is not up until this year was unheard of. Because I mean, up until this year, Bitcoin dominance was steady at like 90%. Even whenever it was hitting its lows, it was sitting at 78% and just steadily being the biggest thing in the market. And it still is the biggest thing in the market, but it doesn't make up most of the market anymore, which I think is a very important thing to know, because altcoins are becoming bigger and bigger. And that's why I believe in altcoins. I also believe in Bitcoin at the same time, but I think there's times to invest in Bitcoin and there's times to invest in altcoins. And I think when we're going on a big bull run, that's the time to invest in altcoins and, just get 5-10 times your money. Then when you think that bull run's going away and and you think everything's going to drop like the market has right now, that's when I think you should invest into Bitcoin. And because Bitcoin's just not going to depreciate as much as some of these other altcoins. Bitcoin will depreciate, let's say 25 up to 50%. And that may seem like a whole lot, and it is, but it's nothing compared to some of these altcoins that go down by freaking 80% or more, whenever, like, let's say you bought it for 20 cents and now it's sitting at like 5 cents or 4 cents, and that's like, that hurts, and you know it. So you can invest in Bitcoin. It will go down a lot less. So I think it's still a good place for storage. Ethereum, also a very good place of storage. I want to say that Litecoin is, but Litecoin can be sometimes volatile, pretty volatile. Getting all the way down to $100 is pretty far. But I don't think we're ever going to see Bitcoin dominance getting back to where it was. I think altcoins are here to stay for sure, and that it's just going to stay closer to, I think 35% is that's solid for Bitcoin. I can see it even dropping lower and lower, especially as Ethereum, Litecoin, and Ripple and those such coins get bigger and bigger. This is gonna, not necessarily like its market cap may not drop much more and stuff, but I think its percentage will still start dropping, in that more money will be put into other things versus Bitcoin. The speed at which money is being dumped into the altcoins versus the speed at which it's being dumped into Bitcoin will favor the altcoins from here on out. As far as a projection, though, seeing Bitcoin into the future, into the next few months, by the end of the year, I want to say that Bitcoin could solidly, if we see another end of the year bull run like we did in this last year, I could easily see Bitcoin hitting $50,000. Now, that's if we get the same kind of bull run that we saw at the end of 2017. For right now, I think it's going to be some more steady growth throughout the year. And then nearing probably the last 3 months of the year, that's when I think we're going to see Bitcoin as well as all the altcoins just pump, up, up, up. And by then, we'll all be seasoned veterans, and I think we're all going to know that we should possibly pull out some USD before January. I definitely am. I think that's a solid strategy. January is not a good month for any kind of investment, stocks or crypto. But yeah, I think I could see it hitting $50,000+ if we get that kind of bull market again. If we don't see that bull market and it's more of a steady growth over the next year as it becomes more widely spread and more people start using this, then I can see Bitcoin climbing past its $20,000 mark, hitting $30,000 to $35,000. I think that's a conservative estimate. Let me know what you think, though. What do you think the Bitcoin will hit? What do you think Bitcoin will hit by the end of 2018? What do you think its dominance is going to be? I'm going to say 25% by the end of the year. Like, it's going to be 25% or less dominance, because I believe these altcoins are going to start catching up to Bitcoin. But, let me know in the comments below. Debate about it. Give us some good information, some facts. What do you think? As always, guys, like, comment, mash that subscribe button, and let me know how you're keeping up with crypto, and I'll see you in the next video.